Hello everyone, welcome in this video. Today I'm going to start exercise 2.2 of chapter 2 compound interest. I'm Agarwal for standard 9. Before starting exercise 2.2, I want to say something. In exercise 2.1, we have solved sums of compound interest with the help of the formula of simple interest. But we need to learn the formula of compound interest because already we have learned everything about simple interest in junior classes. So first exercise is based on that formula only, but now we have to proceed with compound interest formula, and by now only we will use only compound interest formula. If the question asks you to find out compound interest, we will use always the formula. If the question will ask you to find out yearly or find out the simple interest, then only you will solve the previous methods. If the question will ask you to find the compound interest, no need to solve yearly. We will directly use the formula, put the value, directly get the answer. Now let's see what is the formula. Here is exercise 2.2. Let's start the formula first of all. See, I have written here formula for compound interest. I don't know it is visible or not because here I have written with the help of sparkle pen. Amount is equals to principal within bracket 1 plus r by 100 to the power t or n. What is the formula? A is equals to P into 1 plus r by 100 to the power t or n. A is for amount, P for principal, R for rate, T or N is for timing. Okay, when we will solve the sum by using this formula, we'll get the value of A. We knew that. What we knew? Compound interest is amount minus P, right? If directly we want to solve without getting the value of amount, what we can do? I'm putting this value of amount here. So what is the scenario? P into 1 plus r by 100 to the power t minus p. This p is this one, and for A I have written this formula. I hope it is clear. Now you see, from these two terms, before minus sign and after minus sign, if I will take p as common out of the bracket, what is left here? Here is 1 plus r by 100 to the power t minus what is left here, minus 1. So if directly we want to find out the value of compound interest, this will be the formula. What it is? Compound interest is equals to P into within bracket 1 plus r by 100 to the power t minus 1, bracket close. Okay, you can find out the value of amount, then you may subtract by P to get the answer. That is also right, or you can use this formula. So now we are going to solve anywhere. If anyone will ask you to solve sums of compound interest, you stuck with this formula only. No need to use simple interest formula. That is for simple interest. Now we came in higher classes in standard 9. We are not going to follow methods of standard 8, or we are not going towards junior classes. We are going towards board. So what I want to say, please use the formula, and as you will solve 3-4 sums, automatically you will feel that this is easier method as compared to that one. So, and one more thing I have written here, that in special case what happens, sometime you will see that first year rate is 5%, second year rate is 10%, third year rate is 12%. So there is no problem, you just do one thing. Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R1 by 100, 1 plus R2 by 100, 1 plus R3 by 100. No need to write down year, because if 3 years are there, so I have written here for first year, second year, third year. Okay, one special case is about timing also. Sometime you will see that timing is like 1 by 2.5 year. So that half will come here with rate. I will explain you during solution of the sum, that thing, that is another special case. So let's see how we will utilize this formula. So this is our first question of exercise 2.2. Question number 1, we are going to solve it. Please show the question. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 5,000 for 2 years at 6% annum interest payable yearly. Okay, if you want, you can verify this question by using previous method of simple interest, but now we have decided that we are going to solve the sum with the help of compound interest formula. So exercise 2.2, question number 1, what is given? Write down that thing. Given that principal is rupees 5000, time is 2 years, rate is 6%, so we need to find out compound interest. First of all, we'll find out the value of amount, or directly we will put the value amount is equals to what, p into 1, or if you want you can solve compound interest. You must write down in comment section what you want, step by step or directly the formula of compound interest. I'm solving by both method. Wait, first of all, a is equals to p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power t. Put the values. What is p? It is 5000, and here it is 1 plus rate is 6 by 100, and what is timing? That is 2. So it is 5000, and we may reduce it. 2 3 just 6, 250 just, so within bracket 1 plus 3 by 50, 2. Now it is 5000, LCM is 50, here is square sign, 50 plus 3. Now it is 5000 into 50. I will open the bracket because there was square sign, so 53 into 53 upon 50 into 50, so 0 0 0 0 5 10 jo, so 53. Okay, 5 2 ja 10, 2 into 53 into 53, so let's multiply. 53 2 ja what, 2 3 ja 6, 10, then 53 3 6 ja 18, 3 5 6 ja 30, and 5. Here is 8165 5618. So this is amount rupees 5618. Okay, write down amount is this one. Therefore, what is CI? CI is equals to rupees A minus P. Write down the formula. This is a good habit to write down the formula. So it is rupees 618. This is the answer. Now, or directly you can do this thing. This is your answer. Okay, or you can directly solve the sum by using the formula of compound interest, that is within bracket p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power t minus 1. You put the value. P is 5000 within bracket 1 plus 6 by 100 to the power 2 minus 1, or here is 5000 into 2 3 is 6, 250 is, so 1 plus 3 by 50 square minus 1. Again I am rewriting all these things here. It is 5000 within bracket, you just see what I'm going to do here. 50 is LCM, then here is 50 50 plus 3 square minus 1 is there. You again cross check, see. Now 5000 outside the bracket, 53 into 53 upon 50 into 50 minus 1, or multiply 53 53, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, remainder is 1, 5 5s are 25, 1 is 26. Check once again. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, remainder 1, 5 5s are 25, and 1 is 26. Correct? Okay. So 9, 10, and this is 8, 5 5 10, 6 1 7, and 1 was remainder 2809. So it is 5000. Here is 2809 divided by 2500, because 15 to 50 is 2500 minus 1. Now 5000 is here. We will take LCM 2500. So here is 2809 minus 2500, therefore 5000 into, we will subtract here, so it is 309 divided by 2500. 2500 twos are 5000, so 2 into 309 is equals to 2 9 18, 2 3 6. Here is the answer. So this is your choice. If you want, you just find out the value of amount and subtract amount and principal, you will get CI, or directly use this formula, both are correct. Thank you. You must like this video. Thank you.